that it gave so much of confidence to do this business, because it's a blessed money, we can say, because we are not doing anything here. It's a blessed money. We are helping the people, and with the happiness we are making money, not by somebody is crying by putting some money into the system, not like with the people's happiness we are making money. So it's one of the best ever opportunity, we can say, and what we need, everything is there in the system. Because from these many years, I think here so many people are there, so many leaders are there. Maybe you are into the business from almost 10 years, 15 years, 20 years into the direct selling industry. Maybe you have lots of experience. So in our experience, what we need, we have everything in Diva Secret. What we need, we have everything in Diva Secret, because here we don't have any. It's like completely, the first thing what we can say is high quality premium nutrition. The product is the king here. The product is the king, not the opportunity, not the management, not the company, nothing. Only the product is giving result to the people. So definitely, confidently we can take this product to anyone. No need of any support from any leader, no apply, nothing. We can see our team, we can build our business, because I don't have anybody. I got somebody like a customer, he referred me, so we started the business. So automatically when I got the confidence, I started building the business. So we have one of the best to best product here, and the company is in the soft launch. The company is in the soft launch, we can say in the pre-launch. Right now the company is not yet launched officially in India. We are the first movers of the entire market. We are the first movers of the entire market. So most of the companies, maybe the closing ceremony might be the Kerala, but here the opening ceremony started from Kerala, and it is growing globally, because I started my first distributor, Mani sir, all these people, they started from Kerala, and right now my community is in 15 countries. We can say that this is the real global business. My team right now is there in 15 countries. I have team in Chad Republic, I have team in Tanzania, Malaysia, Singapore, Australia, USA, all across. Why? Because we are the first movers of this amazing company. We are at a very beginning stage. We don't need any skills, nothing. Automatically, your friend, somebody is there in Africa. Malayali people, somebody is there in Africa. They will be in Malaysia. You can recommend anybody. Everybody needs the help. The product is there all across. Already Harris sir sent the product to UAE. Already he sent the product to UAE, Qatar, everywhere. Already the business is growing globally. So that is the one of the amazing potential. We have a global opportunity, and without any investment, my dear friends. Here we are not doing any investment.
Good morning to everybody. I'm Dr. Wonder, your life and health coach, Diva Secret expansion promoter. This box that you see, a littles, it contains 25 ingredients inside, 11 sachets, and each one of those sachets are miracles. People call them the powder miracles. This one, and this one, people call them the miracle powder. The ingredient and benefit of secret cellular nutrition are as follow. The apples. The apple stem cell extra stimulate skin and regenerate and repair it. Okay? So among the 25, that's why I'm sharing with you this morning. Let us go fast and finish. Protect against oxidativity and stress. Number 2 is a grape seed extra, rich in antioxidants to support the cardiovascular health, promote collagen and productions. Number 3 is acai berry or acai berry extra, higher in antioxidant to fight free radicals, boost energy and support the immune function. Then number 4, we have a blueberry extra, improve the brain health and memory, protection against inflammations and aging. Number 5, we have a pomegranate extra, support heart health and reduce the inflammation, contain the potent anti-aging properties. Number 6, we have a green tea extra, enhancing metabolism and support the weight loss, provide antioxidant to protect cells. Then we have a spirulina. Number 7, we have a spirulina and a nutrition dense algae that boost immune detoxification and provide protein. And we have a chlorella, support detoxification by binding to heavy metals, boost immune health and energy. We have a marine collagens, improve skin elasticity and hydration, support joint health. 10, we have a coenzyme code 10, where we call Q10 also, boost cellular energy and production, protect the heart and reduce the oxidative stress. 11, we have aloe vera extra, promote digestion and smooth inflammation, enhance the skin healing and hydrations. 12, resveratrol, found in the red wine, support the heart and health. Provide anti-aging and anti-inflammatory benefit. Then we have 13, curcum or turmeric extra, reduce the inflammation in the body and support the joint and brain health. Goji berries extra, higher in antioxidant to boost immune, improve skin health and support the visions. We have ashwagandha, reduce the stress and support the adrenal health. Okay, are you getting? Enhance the energy and mental clarity. We have a 16, maca root, improve the stamina and energy and libido, balance hormones. 17, L-glutathione, a master antioxidant for cellular detoxification, brighter skin and enhance the immunity. 18, vitamin C, support immune health and collagen production, protect cell from antioxidant and damage. 19, zinc, strengthen the immune system and support wound healing and skin health. 20, probiotic. We have a lactobacillus and we have a bifidobacterians. Enhance gut health and digestion, improve nutrients and absorption. 21, we have vitamin D, support bones health and calcium absorption, enhance immune support. 22, we have hyaluronic acid, improve skin hydrations and elasticity, lubricate joint. We have a cordyceps, boost energy, stamina and immune health. Okay, then we have quercetin. I like quercetin because this is one of the product that help you to overcome allergic of food, allergic of fruit, whatever allergic, they take control of all allergic. So that's why I like it for that. Reduce inflammation and support the respiratory health. Protect the cell from oxidative damage. 25, we have a milk teslan extra, detoxify the liver and protect against the toxin, improve the digestion and support the skin health. Then we have isomaltulose, benefit and carbohydrate derived from beet. Isomaltulose provide a slow release energy source without causing blood sugar spike, making it ideal for energy and metabolism support. Frusto Alagosarcasarid Phos, benefit, a probiotic that promotes the growth of health gut bacteria. It aids digestion, boosts immune and support gut health. Partially hydrolyzed Giagons, benefit is a solid fiber that help with digestion, promote gut health and help reduce blood sugar level. It also supports weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness. Vitamin C, benefit and potent antioxidant that boost immune system, promote collagen and synthesis for healthy skin and protect cell from antioxidant stress. Rosella extra hibiscus, benefit knowing for its antioxidant property. Rosella extra support heart health, lower blood pressure and improve skin health. Koji berry extra, benefit rich in antioxidant. Koji berries support immune health, skin elasticity, and may improve visions and overall energy level. Apple fruit juice benefit contain antioxidants and vitamins that promote skin health, support detoxification, and maintain cardiovascular health. Berries leaf extra benefit known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. Berries is often used to support health and urinary tract health. Acai berries benefit packed with antioxidant. Acai berries support immune function, reduce inflammation, and improve skin health and vitality. Apple flavors and apples extra benefit. Apple extra effort, antioxidant, and vitamin Y. The flavor provide a natural pleasure dance. Broccoli extra has 11 benefit rich in vitamin C and K, as well as antioxidant. Broccoli support immune health, detoxification, skin health. Vitamin 12, vitamin and mineral premix, vitamin and support skin visions and immune. Calcium essential for bones health and muscle function. Zinc boost immune system function and support wound healing. Vitamin D enhance calcium absorption and support immune health and improve mood. Vitamin B12 vital for energy and production, brain function, and red blood cell function. Vitamin B2 riboflavin support energy and production, cell repair. Vitamin B12 important for brain function and the creation of neurotransmitters. Folic acid support cell divisions and is crucial during pregnancy for fetal development. Niacin, vitamin B3 aid in metabolism and support skin health. The tricalcium phosphate benefit bioavailable form of calcium that support bones health and proper muscle function. Then tiger milk mushroom benefit knowing for it is immune boosting property. This mushroom also support lungs and health and overall vitality. Then we have zinc. We come zinc extra benefit always knowing an adaptogen that boosts energy, reduce stress, and support cognitive functions and immunity. Turmeric power benefit contain curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that supports joint health, digestion, and overall wellness. Stevia benefit 17. Natural sweetness with no calories, making it ideal for those managing blood sugar level while enjoying a sweet taste. 18. Permitted flowers benefit provide a natural taste and without harmful additive. Anti-aging additive, we call it E341 or E55. Then we have a spirulina, we have all these ones. So 21 we have support bonds, 22 cordyceps. So this is all things that we need. The stevia, we have anti-aging, we have a summary of benefit. This blend of ingredients in Diva Secret Stem Cell Nutrition aim to enhance overall wellness and provide a support for immune health, skin and rejuvenate energy production, digestion and anti-aging. The combination of vitamin, minerals and plant extra work synergically to promote cellular health, protect against and oxidative stress, and maintain a vitality at every stage of life. So this is all about what is content of this one. This is what is content of this one. So God bless you. So you go for Diva Stem Cell. So that's information I want to update, because always you are hearing the 25 ingredient, but you didn't get an explanation. Today I spend my time to give you explanation what are the 25 ingredient in this box. Thank you. Bye. Until we see again. Peace off.
ഒരുപാട് ആളുകൾ വിരലിലെണ്ണാൻ പറ്റാത്തത്ര ലോകത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ അച്ചീവേഴ്സിനെ ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള കമ്പനികളിൽ ഒന്നാണ് ആ കമ്പനിയാണ് സ്റ്റെം സെല്ലിലൂടെ ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്തത്. അത് ഉപയോഗിച്ച ആളുകൾ പറയുന്നതാണ് അതിന്റെ 10 ഇരട്ടി റിസൾട്ട് എന്തുണ്ട് ദിവാ സീക്രട്ടിന്റെ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ ഒരു 5 കൊല്ലം നമ്മൾ ഈ കമ്പനിയിൽ റൺ ചെയ്താലുള്ള നമ്മളുടെ ഒരു സ്ഥിതി ഒന്ന് ആലോചിച്ചു. 5 മാസം കൊണ്ട് ഇന്ദുരാജ് സാറിന്റെ ഇരിക്കും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ രാജേന്ദ്ര സാറിന്റെ ഇരിക്കും നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്തു, നമ്മൾ അത്ഭുതപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കണം. നമ്മളൊരു 5 വർഷം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഇതിൽ നിൽക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ